Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to run Apex REST API to get record through Postman in Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be see how to insert an account record using post request through Postman in Salesforce. So friends, in this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to insert an account record through Postman in Salesforce. Here, we will be inserting an account record using post request through Postman in Salesforce. First, open Postman app and authenticate to get token. Then, add post request method. Then, pass the URL. After that, we will be sending post request to create an account record through Postman. So let's jump to my Salesforce and Postman app where we will be see live demo example how to insert a record through Postman and how to pass the URL to insert a record in Postman. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. This is a Postman. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to get a record of account through Postman. In the previous lesson, in the URL, we have to pass record ID of account. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to insert an account record through Postman. So first, go to your collection. There is a three dot. Click here. There is an option add request. Add request. Write the name of the API. After that, we will be change the method. So by default, it selected get. I will be change get to post because I am inserting a record. In the previous lesson, we have passed the URL. Copy the URL and go to next tab and paste here. In the previous lesson, we have get the record of account. So based on this record ID, we have get the record through Postman. In this lesson, we are inserting a record. So not required, pass the ID. So here I am removing the ID. After that, go to body, select raw, change text to JSON because I am sending a data in JSON format. Here, create a curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, we will be pass the field name and value. So here we will be pass the field name, phone and description. So here we will be pass three fields and value. So first field will be name, colon, double quote. Here we will be pass the value Vijay take school, comma, enter, pass the second field name. Second field name will be phone, colon, pass the value 10. So here I am passing the 10 value of the number, comma, here I am passing the description. Colon and pass the value. So value will be passed. This is a default description. This is default description. And after clicking on the request button, response will be displayed here. So after inserting a record in Salesforce, the newly created of account record ID will be displayed in the Postman so that we can check that record ID created or not. So now let me click on the button send request. Here you can see record has been created into the Salesforce and this record ID display. That means one record created in the Salesforce and this record ID we will be checked. So copy the record ID. The name of the account will be Vijay Take a School. Phone will be this and description is this. Now let me go to the Salesforce. and here pass the record ID. Enter. Here we will be see one record has been created into the Salesforce through Postman. So record ID name is Vijay Tech School. Phone number is this, and this is a description I mentioned. The description value is this. If you go to the account, newly created account that is created by Postman. So friends, in this lesson, we have learned how to create a record of account through Postman. So try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to create a record through Postman, please write in comment box. Friends, I always believe in practical scenarios, not in theoretical. If you are looking Salesforce and web application training, I will be provide to you in from beginning to advanced level training with real-time project scenario that is working in office. Please feel free to contact me for any inquiry or assistance. Visit my website www.thevijaykumar.in and download my app Take W3 Web. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.